I am hungry too much. Ji, what are you going to cook? My favorite, I am hungry too much. What is my favorite you are cooking? Guys, let's see what she is cooking today. Come, 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 come. Wow, what is that? Ji, what is that? Wow, beef steak. What is the ingredients?
Filipino beef steak. We have
Filipino.
here Philippine beef steak.
Okay,
Okay, we have here white onion, the normal onion, garlic, some garlic, and
okay.
um, green chili, long green chili. We have here what is this calamansi, or you can also use lemon,
Ah, lemon juice.
lemon, yes. And then we have here soy sauce and salt and black pepper.
Black pepper. This is your beef steak.
So
Okay.
this is how
Now
we
you will mix this one.
use this. We have to put some salt.
Water coming already in the mouth, my friend.
And then black pepper. Just put enough black pepper. Then we have to put this calamansi juice or lemon juice and soy sauce.
Wow. So how long need to marinate?
You have to marinate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour.
But I am feeling hungry already. What is that?
Just wait. And then while marinating this one, you can also start frying the onion, the white onion, but not uh, too much fry. Just half cook for the seasoning.
Okay, half cook onion. This round one or all?
The white.
Ah, white one, half cook.
So now
Finish. It's marinate already.
it's ready for marinade. Just wait 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay. So guys, we need to wait another 1 hour. Then we will see how the.
Philippine beef steak.
Okay.
Philippine. You just need to fry these white onions half fry so that we can put this one later on as a topping when our beef steak is already cooked. So now guys, we are now frying the beef steak after 30 minutes.
Wow, smell is good.
Yes, you have to fry the beef first, okay? Before,
Ang masarap pagkain mo, sweetheart.
yeah, you have to wait. G,
Yes.
your beef steak is ready.
Wow. Can I see?
Yes, hot, hot.
Thank you so much. Delicious. Thank
Pinoy
you.
beef steak for my husband.
Kap Ali, what don't want to eat?
You can make a
Wow,
video.
guys. Hey, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, wow, yum. It's about one chili. Okay. This one. I will try, guys. This food is good to eat with the hand, not spoon, not fork. Yes. With some onion. Mmm, yummy. 10, 10 over 10. Yummy. Thank you so much. Sam, how is you? Did not even eat. Come, Sairab, sit down, eat now.